Okay, so this is lab 1 for arson. Let me see if I can like get you where you can see that. Okay, so I already took the aluminum foil out and taped it down and then had my candle in front of it just to cut down time. So now use the butane lighter to light the candle. Allow the flame to rest for 30 seconds or until the flame is stable. Okay, so let me unlock this, crank the gas up, and then I'm gonna start it up and put my glasses on. Okay, so that's lit. I'm gonna lock this back because I don't trust that thing. So next thing I'm gonna do is take the metal mesh out. So I haven't taken anything out of packaging yet. So I'm gonna take the metal mesh out, and it says hold the metal mesh parallel . Okay, so now it says take the tip of it. So pick it up with this. And then it says just slowly bring it down to the flame. So it like smoked up some. So it went out when it touched the wick. So it smoked some. It says do it 2 or 3 more times. So the smoke kind of just comes up. Doesn't really do anything else. Okay, so that was the first time. So let's see. It kind of just made the metal mesh like real black on the parts that I put it down. The flame did go out when the metal touched the wick, but it came right back up afterwards when I moved it back. So now we're gonna do it again this time. So use the butane lighter to light the wick again. I'm gonna move this out of my way some. And light it again. Okay, so now I have to pick it up again, and I'm gonna have to hold it the opposite way. So back and forth, side to side, to constantly expose to a new part in the metal mesh. This should create a consistent . Okay, so now I'm just going to take it this way, and it says basically back and forth, side to side. So make sure I have this right. All right, let's see what it does. I'm trying to think, do I have to just over the wick? Okay, so I don't really see it. It's just moving the flame a lot. It's not like, oops, that's not a good idea. Okay, so when I go side to side, the flame goes the opposite direction like this. So it just constantly moves back and forth. So now it says it's unlocked. Use your free hand. Okay, so I have to keep moving this in motion, I believe. So it says light it above it. So I'm still going like this, but it says light above it. So woo! Okay, so yeah, you seen that. I about had a heart attack. How about we not do that anymore? It didn't create any smoke. Maybe I have to do it this way. Nope. So that didn't create no smoke. It does have a really smoky smell though. Like it smells like it's burning. Okay, so we're gonna blow that out. So before we have to light it again, let's see, it says place the test tube. Okay, so I haven't taken the test tube out yet. So we're gonna do that real quick. Because it's glass and I didn't want it to break, so I have not taken it out of the wrapper. Okay. I'm just going to keep this so I can wrap it back up in there. Alright, so we have the test tube and then we have this, which I'm going to have to grab like that and okay, cool beans. Alright, cool. Alright, so now we're going to light the candle for the last time. Last time lighting it. Like that. Okay. So we have the test tube and the clamp. Make sure it's on there good. Okay, so it says hold the test tube over the candle flame and lower it onto the flame until the opening of the test tube touches the candle wax. So it says blow it out, but it went out. I don't think that was supposed, I don't think that was right. We're gonna try that one more time. It did say if it went out to just light it again. Okay. Let it sit for about 30 seconds and see what happens. 10. Okay, so let's see. So it just produced a lot of smoke, basically. It produced a lot of smoke, but it took the candle out, which makes sense because anytime you put something like this over, like you could put a lid back on a candle if it's lit and it'll go out by itself. So, okay, yeah, maybe that makes sense. Okay. Okay. So that is the end of lab 1 for arson.